Well, hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey, y'all. And so, welcome to this episode of Jess DIY It. On today's episode, you guys, we are going to be doing an overhaul of this hideous pantry, y'all, and we are going to be turning it into this. So if you want to see how I did a full 180 on my pantry, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so real quick, let's go over what I have. So I have my wood pieces that this is going to be for the shelf, and then I have these right here, which are going to be for the lip. I'll have all of this listed in the description box, the measurements. I also have a nail gun and got this from my dad, and I got some sand, like a sandpaper block. This is the kind that I got. And then I just got some paint brushes because I always like to have a new set of paint brushes. And then I got some stain from my dad. So this one right here is the English chestnut, and then this one right here is the espresso. So I'm gonna probably mix both of them together. And then I got some wood glue, got this from my dad, and got my gloves. And then I just have all of this on a table with some paper. But yeah, this is what I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my project done, and we'll start it. So I have 4 pieces of wood, 2 are on the bottom, and then I have 4 pieces of wood that are this to go here. So yeah. And it is currently like 28 degrees out here. So yeah, I'm out here looking like a whole Eskimo, but it's 28 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this project because we have things to do later. So yeah, let's get this show on the road. And so first things first, I'm just applying a thin layer of wood glue on the edge of my wood board. From there, after I do this, then I'll go ahead and attach the lip to this, let it sit for like 2.5 seconds, and then I'm gonna go in with my nail gun and attach the pieces. Now y'all, I am not a professional at all. This is also my first time using a nail gun. And so yeah, so I just wanna make sure that I get this project done and I don't lose a finger.
So after I sanded my wood, I went ahead and wiped it to get all of the debris off. And now I'm just going in with my stain. I did mix the two colors and I added a little bit of the mineral spirits to kind of thin it out. And so right here, this is just coat 1. I am going to add 2 additional coats. One additional coat is going to be here, and then I'm gonna put 3 coats on the lip. And so the sun is very bright today, even though it is freezing outside. So I'll just be able to go in and add the stain fairly quickly. So as you can see here, this is me applying coat 2, and the wood board in front of me is still on coat number 1. So you can already tell the difference as far as the color goes. I'm trying to go for a darker wood finish just because my dining room table is kind of this color. So I kind of wanted to play off of those colors since the dining room and the pantry are very close together.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you pay for it on my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
Yeah. All right, y'all. So I have 2 coats of finish on here. It looks really, really good. Really, really good. I did 3 coats on the front, but 2 coats here. It looks really, really good. I did not do the sides because no one's gonna see that. And I didn't do up under either. The little bit of the back is just where it dripped some, but for the most part, this is what we're looking like.
All right, so it is the next day and I am going in with my polyurethane so that way I can get that more glossy look on my shelves. And so spoiler alert, I am actually going to do 2 coats of this polyurethane. And so right now I'm applying the first coat. I'll then wait a few hours and then I'll come back, sand it, clean it, and then apply another coat just because I like more of that glossy look. When I did the initial 1 coat, I didn't like the level of shininess. You can do as many coats on the polyurethane as you like, but me personally, 2 did the trick. And so I'm just going in with a clean paintbrush and adding that polyurethane, and you can already tell right here, like it already adds that gloss. But once it dries, you guys, it just wasn't doing it for me. So I did go in, sand it, and added another coat.
You miss my touching, good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how that the sweet talk.
guys, so it is a few days later and my shelves are completely dry. I wanted to give them plenty of time before I added them into the pantry. And I'm just giving y'all a true moment of what this pantry looks like. A hot mess express. I did have this over the door hanger right here. This is what I use for the kids and their lunchbox items, but I'm not even using it. So this is coming out and we're gonna do a full 180 in here because we need a functional space. And so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take out everything, get everything organized on how I want to have it. Just because the pantry is one of those focal points that are for everyone in the house. And on top of that, you guys, I am in the pantry a lot when it comes time for like cooking and preparing the kids' lunch boxes. And so I just want to make sure that this is also a functional space for me as well. So I'm going to go through, get rid of things that don't need to be in here, any expired items, all that good stuff. And then we're going to do some organization. And also, I am trying to reuse as much as I can as far as these acrylic containers, just because I don't want to have to go buy anything. So I'm trying to spruce up the space, but also reuse the items that we have just to cut down on costs. And so far, this project has cost me about $130 for the wood and then another $60 for the organizer that you'll see in a little bit. So all in all, $200 is what I'm looking at, give or take, for this project. And I am definitely trying to stick to that.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
This year, y'all, I have decided I'm gonna take one space either a week at a time or a month at a time, bi-weekly. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna take a space and I'm gonna organize it and make it more functional for me and for the family. I don't know why now I'm doing this, but better late than never. So let me know down in the comments below, what are some things that you're doing this year to help you get more organized, to organize your space, be more organized for your family. Let me know down in the comments below, what are some things that you're doing to basically get back on track.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off.
All right, y'all. So this is the over-the-door organizer that I got. I got this from off of Amazon, and I will have it linked in my Amazon store. And so that way, if you guys are interested, you can purchase it. I actually bought the one that has like the 8 baskets, but plot twist, I only needed 6. So yeah, like I said, I will have this linked down.
You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. Up and leave, take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time
charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
Now that everything is installed properly, I can go ahead and begin organizing everything in the pantry. So first things first, I'm going to start with the over-the-door organizer, and I'm just going to add my condiments and all of that other good stuff.
Inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, brave.
So after a few hours of cleaning and organizing, you guys, my pantry looks amazing. This cluttered mess is now turned into a functional space that is going to be so easy for myself as well as the family to use on a day-to-day basis. Y'all, I don't know why it took me so long to organize this, but it is organized, and y'all, I am obsessed. So let me know down in the comments below, do you plan on redoing your pantry anytime this year? Or do you have any other spaces in your home that you're wanting to, spruce up? But that's going to be it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.